Hello and welcome back to our Black Country adventure with Telford Ultimate Guide Walks, and things in this video get very dark.
Well, we've arrived at Tipton at Great Bridge, so all we're waiting for now is Ian and the rest of the posse, which they're in that housing estate somewhere, trying to find somewhere to park. So we'll see how that goes. He can't the hot stepper. Look at it, look at it.
It's Sally, innit?
Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Welcome to Tipton, where the sun shines every day. Don't worry, Cal. This is just one set of steps.
Going up, I'm trying going up.
Imagine coming down here like 10 o'clock at night. There you go. Here we go. So we're not going that way. We're going that way, but this is a really shit version of an aqueduct, look. Yeah. And you might see people walking their staffy balls, their Rottweilers. It's normal along here. And we got a train pulling out of Dudley Port Station, look. So we're going down there to where that bridge is, turning right, and then that takes us towards the canal tunnel. Let's go! So they're all looking. Look, you can't move, can you, for shit? You can't move for shit. Yep. Anyway, we're going down here. You know, one thing about this walking group is we do see the seasons, don't we?
Yeah.
A lot more than you take more notice of them, don't you? Where else can you see a cock on a branch? Look, do you know what I mean? Yeah, exactly. Kaz and David. I wonder if they're still together now. Yeah, when it was good.
And what was the other one? Trisha.
Yeah. So guys, we are coming up now to the entrance to the tunnel now, and you've got these lovely quaint little cottages here, which they're typical lock keepers' cottages, because I imagine there would be a lock here at some point to control who's coming in and out of the tunnel. Well, they are cute, aren't they? Yeah, they can see Lucky, and there's been locks here, look, controlling the water. Look how it's worn away, the boats have worn away that little bit there, look. Okay, you ready for the tunnel? They're back to backs, they are. One will be upstairs, one will be downstairs. Let's go for it. So tell me why these are here. What are these for? These on the floor. Yeah, for the horses. To give the horses more grip when they're on a paved area. You're going to love this, you are. You two are going to love all of this. You 5, 6. Ian's on his way, isn't he? They're going through the tunnel, but I don't think you can get that side, you know. See, I think it's fenced off. Yeah, they're not going any further than that. And then I'll be at the back, or stay where you are. Yeah, anyway, we're going into the Netherton Tunnel. 1 and 3. What did he say? 1 3/4 mile? 3/4 mile? God. I mean, is that possible for a human to do that? To endure that kind of darkness? But anyway, we are Telford Ultimate Guide walking group, and we can do anything because we're from Telford.
Well, your eyes have become accustomed to.
Yeah. Yeah. See how long it takes her to get a torch out. Oh God, something went in my ear then. Okie dokie, let's go. Now, do you see that up there? You got Sir Frank Price. Yeah, that's the light at the end that looks like... Yeah, and it isn't. I swear to God, I just seen something. I swear to God, I saw someone leaning over the edge there, just. Is there anybody? Somebody's just gone in here then, haven't they? It might be drier today, thankfully. Look at it, it's long, isn't it? Trace, just watch the floor. It goes in and out, drops and... May I just zip you up? Well, you've only gone in a metre.
This epic canal tunnel was built in 1855 and it opened to traffic on the 20th of August 1858. It's a staggering 2,768 metres long with a width of 8.2 metres and 2 towpaths either side. That was quite unique for its time.
You know that hot, it looks quite like near, doesn't it? Jesus, this is long, really long. That just does not get any closer.
The tunnel is not for the faint-hearted, and over the years it has suffered major issues with failing brickwork, etc., and no more evident than the famous Dudley earthquake that happened a good few years ago.
There isn't much to show you, but we're embarking in this tunnel and here we go. And he literally, I try and describe what it's like. We're actually walking through water now. Ian's smashing at the handrail. Well, we are walking through the Netherton Tunnel right now, and it is pitch black. I've just put my phone light on to get a bit of illumination. In the walking group, we've got Kelly at front, everyone else in between, and then me at the end as the back marker. So we've got another canal barge that's literally, or narrow boat, that's just entered the tunnel. You can hear that chugging away behind us. I don't think it'll catch us up because we're motoring ahead towards the light at the end of the tunnel, which just doesn't seem to be getting any bigger. So you can just see the boat coming in now. Yeah. We are nearly, I know you can't see, but we are nearly at the end of the tunnel, okay? You got the usual lads doing spooky noises all the way through, but there you go, to be expected. Anyway, we're nearly there. That's that little hole, that little dot at the end is coming nearer. Wow, I found someone else who's brave enough to walk through here as well. Well, you can see that these folks they were thinking of giving it a go, but actually it is further than it looks, and it ain't for the faint-hearted, this tunnel. But we are nearly at the end now, and the beautiful greenery and the sunshine is there just greeting us right now. And then I'm going to literally go up, Ian's going to go up the bumble hole in a minute. The light at the end of the tunnel. Wow. So guys, what do you think of that? Tell you what, it's harder than it looks, isn't it? There's a lot. It's quite. I know that's not bad actually, but actually it's quite demanding on the knees, that isn't it? Because you just water, you know, in and out. But just the back of here, we walk down to that bridge, just down here, quite a nice place. Let's get on with it. Signals back on your phone and all that. We're going to the bumble hole now. God. Trace, you were leading, weren't you? You was good. See how she was just like giving us all the technical information. All that technical data.
Ankle twister.
You also, you don't know. It was. You don't know what was in one puddle. Then it's straight. When one puddle.
I did say one looked like a torpedo.
Yeah. Yeah, but
In
that's.
the last 10 minutes, I need a wee.
Yeah, but look at it now.
What now?
In there, I felt it was really muggy.
Yeah, it was.
So I'm going to now find a bumble hole, which I think it's up this flight of steps that's here.
Well, I'm going to carry on this one quite well. No, I have a wee here.
Do you?
I need a wee.
Oh. Oh. Oh, do you? Okay.
There's a tree over here. You going up there, right?
Yeah, we are, yeah. Up to the bumble. It's like a hole where you can go in. Not with that lid though. There we go, the bumble hole. This is where we're going to chill for a bit. We are at the bumble hole and I am lying in the grass. It's a lovely sunny day with my bezies and I bet you're wondering why it's called the bumble hole. I'll tell you later when I've had those steps to climb and in that tunnel, so just got to chill out now. I might have a drink, but I ain't got one because it's in the car. Look at them there, just chilling out. Look at them, eh? Got Hannah there. I think Hannah's gone to sleep. Kelly, she's gone to sleep as well.
I'm not asleep.
I mean, honestly, right, there's no get up and go in these kids today. Anyway, while we're up here, this is the bumble hole. This is actually a engine house here. Now, I would imagine this would have held some sort of, it may have been a water pump actually, but yeah, hollowed out now, but it'd have had something like, more often like a new comb and edges, something in it. Well, yeah, imagine this in its heyday. Now I would imagine it might have been a pump for the canal. It's very close to the canal to pump water up to replenish the canal, but some big bolts on the floor there as well. And then next to it we've got a Boston big chimney, look. There we go. Look at that, tapering chimney right to the top there. But yeah, this is the bumble hole, this is. Just on the other side of that canal tunnel. And yeah, so we are where we are. But yeah, I just imagine, look, it looks like they've had a few fires in here over the time, but you can see them all. There they are, all over there, look. Chillaxing. This amazing industrial relic is known as Cobb's Engine House and Chimney. This structure is also known as Windmill End Pumping Station. Housed in a stationary Watt-type steam engine, this pumped water out the nearby mines for nearly 97 years, and the Cobb's Engine House and Chimney is the earliest surviving example of its type. There are only a few engine houses left in the Black Country, and this is located in what's called the Bumble Hole, or better known as Warren Hall Local Nature Reserve. Great place to visit. Well, we've only got we only got to go through the tunnel again, haven't we? We're going to make a start on it now. And we're all sat down, and that's the problem in this, right? Because we're all thinking, oh, here we go. You got to muster the enthusiasm up for it.
Guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget we've got a Facebook page as well, Steve's Monumental Adventure. Lots of stuff on there. Let's get on with the video.
Wow, we've now arrived at the pie factory, Maddow Rocks Pie Factory, which is here in Tipton. There's it, there it is, Tipton. Okay, so we are here, and apparently this is the place to come for a pie, apparently. But anyway, we'll see what's here, won't we?
One at Ketley called. Was that a Maddow Rocks at one time?
No, I don't think we've... Oh, I'm not
Do you
sure.
remember? Just down from Trio.
No, I don't remember. No, I don't think there's been a Maddow Rocks here. I don't know. Does anybody know the answer? Has there been a Maddow Rocks in Telford? Do you know what? I've worked up an appetite now. I don't know about you.
Yeah. So let's see what's what.
Go and see.
We're not dressed for it.
Go and see. Aren't we? Do I? Thanks. So this is the pie factory.
Pie factory.
Yeah, and when it says world famous, you're setting yourself up then, aren't you?
Yeah.
Hey? Well, I've ordered at Maddow Rocks, and oh yeah, only I wouldn't have a pie when you come to the pie factory, but I have got this carvery here with massive amount of meat on it, which is what you want. Tell you what, that was nice, that was, and I've had it all. Look at that.
Liar!
Yeah, I've had it all. So, I mean, I might suffer with this later, but you know, it's nice. You know, it's not nice to leave meat on your fridge, on your plate, especially when it's been taken from an animal. You know, you need to appreciate if an animal's going to be slaughtered, you need to make sure you eat it all. There's too much food waste in this country. Well, it's that time we say goodbye. Have you enjoyed yourselves?
Yes.
What's been your favourite bit?
Tunnel.
Kel?
What's your favourite bit?
Apart from the arm in the car door. No? What about you? What have you enjoyed the most? Obviously waiting there for us.
Coming out of the tunnel. The second time. It was coming back there.
Well guys, that's how we roll on Telford Ultimate Guide Walks. We walk ourselves till we drop, but we never, ever
Done about 8
stop.
miles, haven't we?
Ladies, I'm going. Come on. See ya.
Bye, darling.
See you, Trace. Oh,
Bye.
my naked skin. See you, Ian.
Got a picture in your book.
Well, I'm back to where we started this morning. It's been a great day. 2 canal tunnel sections done. Wow, busy has it been. Anyway, they're a great group of people. And that's me from Telford Ultimate Guide Walks and Monumental signing out.